How to install LiveChat on OpenCart. OpenCart, add LiveChat to your store and start closing more deals by targeting your customers' exact needs. Installation, learn how to add LiveChat to your OpenCart, customer's cart details, target the exact needs of your customer by seeing what items are in his cart. Installation 1. To add LiveChat to your OpenCart store, download LiveChat plugin for your OpenCart's version. LiveChat for OpenCart 2.3.x at http://bit.ly/37jx1jf. LiveChat for OpenCart 2.2.0.0 at http://bit.ly/2swOZ15. LiveChat for OpenCart 2.0.x and 2.1.x at http://bit.ly/2sxbgxg. Now, extract the plugin and upload the content of the OpenCart 2.x folder to your OpenCart's installation directory. 2. After uploading the plugin's content, log into your OpenCart's administration panel and go to the extensions section. 3. Now, choose modules from the list of available extension types. 4. On the list of available modules, look for LiveChat and click on Edit Icon button. That will take you to the Edit LiveChat section. 5. Here you can configure your LiveChat extension. To link your LiveChat license with it, provide your email address in the LiveChat login field. 6. To finalize the plugin configuration, all that is left is to make sure that your LiveChat extension is enabled. Here you can also enable the Show Cart Details option. It will allow you to see your customer's cart during a chat or in the visitors section of LiveChat. Click here to read more about this option. 7. And you are good to go. To finalize the configuration, click on the Save button, available at the top right side of Edit LiveChat section. 8. Now, go to Layouts section of your OpenCart, available under the Design category. 9. From the list of available layouts, choose the one to which you want to add LiveChat and click on Edit button. For example, if you would like to display LiveChat on your product pages, from the list of available layouts choose Products and follow the instructions below. 10. Remember to add LiveChat under the Content bottom category of your layout. To do that, click on the Add Icon button, available under the Content bottom section. 11. Now, choose LiveChat from the list of available modules. 12. To finalize the process, click on the Save icon button. Done. LiveChat is now linked with your OpenCart store. Use this opportunity to close more deals by targeting your customers' exact needs. Customers' cart details. LiveChat for OpenCart allows you to not only add a chat to your store but also see your customers' cart details. You can use this advantage to close more deals, by targeting your customers' needs much more efficiently. Customers' cart details are available during the chat and in the visitors section of your LiveChat. LiveChat allows you to see the following cart's details: cart value, product link, product details. To see your customers' cart details, make sure to enable the Show Cart Details option when installing your LiveChat extension. Done. You are now good to go and you can use the full potential of LiveChat extension for OpenCart.